Hello and welcome back to the 1963 YouTube channel. This piece comprises the fourth painting video from this collection. If you head to my Watercolor Cityscapes playlist, you will find the three other videos uploaded before. Today's illustration is the Somnath Jyotirling, yet another one from Gujarat. This temple is particularly famous because it was believed to be the first of the 12 Jyotirlingas or shrines devoted to Lord Shiva, and we know that Somnath is another name for Lord Shiv himself. Just like my previous videos from this series, I'm going to tell you a little bit about this temple too. The myth behind the origins of the Somnath temple says that Somraj, the moon god, first built a temple in Somnath out of gold, which was later rebuilt in silver by Ravan, by Krishna in wood, and Bhimdev in stone. The origins of this temple is traced back to 2000 years, but in 649 AD, King Maitri of Vallabhini built a second temple in the same place and renovated it. On conducting a further historical research, I was able to trace a little more about this temple. We have all read about the Turkish invader Mahmud of Ghazni in our history school books. He is known to have invaded India 17 times and with the primary agenda of accumulating wealth and spreading Islam. In 1024 AD, he caused severe loot and plunder in Gujarat and took away all the wealth of the Somnath temple. Although speculations state that the original Shivling at Somnath may have been destroyed, the locals are of the belief that the Shivling at Somnath temple is still the original one. They believe that when the invaders came to destroy the Shivling, the linga was believed to be safely hid within its hollowness, the famous Shamantak Mani. The stone is believed to have created a strong magnetic field around it that kept the linga floating above the ground. Thus, no one was able to touch it. Now that we know some myths and histories about this temple, let's go back to the painting. You know that we have picked one color palette that is going to remain the same throughout this entire series, and the colors are namely emerald green, olive green, wine, ochre and cream grey. At this point, the base layers of the painting have already come together and you can see the color picked for the sky was emerald green for this piece. We have kept the picture rather vibrant with a substantial use of ochre as well as wine. We have revisited the later layers with more of the olive green and wine and covered our shadows. You already know the drill, and we were also able to try some conceptual insight in the last video. Hope this painting process was helpful to you and you had fun learning and watching. We are going to be back with yet another Jyotirling soon. Until then, subscribe to my channel if you are new, share the video with your friends and family, watch the videos, I have plenty more coming up. Please do show your encouragement by hitting the like button, and I would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section. And if you want regular updates on my work, please find me on Instagram 1963_reinventing, where you will not only find the complete pieces in their frames, but you will also be able to commission art with me. Please watch the video till the end and I promise to bring you much more. Until then, have fun watching this video.